Hello, my name is Lauren Dalton, and I am in Professor Johnson's online Introduction to Information Systems course. Here is my MEW student ID, and this is my submission for the summary of chapters 1 through 10. So information systems are systems that are used to gather, store, share, and process different types of information. Without these systems, technology would not be near as advanced as it is today, and there would be a shortage of communication and collaboration among the world. In order to understand these systems better, one must first know what the term information means. According to Reynolds and Stair, information is a collection of data organized and processed so that it has additional value beyond the value of the individual facts. This collection of data is very helpful for individuals and organizations because it provides necessary components that can boost productivity or revenue. Reynolds and Stair provide a condensed understanding and state that information is essentially data made more useful through the application of knowledge. With the term information being broken down, a better perception of information systems can be achieved. An information system is a set of interrelated components that collect, process, store, and disseminate data and information. These systems offer feedback mechanisms which are very useful for organizations. These mechanisms can help organizations make necessary changes that allow companies to achieve their goals and grow in a positive manner. Information systems also aid in the changes that a company will go through. There are different types of information systems, including a personal IS, group IS, and enterprise IS, that offer functions specific to a company's needs. When learning about information systems, it is important to mention the hardware and software that accompanies them. The hardware of an information system is useful for performing jobs such as input, processing, storage, and output activities. Examples of hardware include the central processing unit, memory, and input-output devices. Software for an information system are programs that help control the functions of hardware. There is system software and application software that both aid with these functions. System software consists of utilities that help coordinate the activities of the hardware, while application software consists of programs that help users solve computing problems. Another important feature of information systems is a database. Databases help keep track of, organize, and analyze large amounts of data. They help users keep track of the data for business so that it is easily accessible and modifiable. Organizations choose databases that are specific to their individual needs, such as content, access, logical structure, physical organization, archiving, and security. A helpful strategy for choosing a database is to make use of a data model. These models show the logical relationship between data, which can help figure out the best solution for an organization. Networks and cloud computing are also major advantages to information systems. A computer network consists of communications, media, devices, and software connecting two or more computer systems or devices. Organizations make wide use of networks because it allows them to easily and effectively share and receive important information. Networks are also widely important because they allow global communication to take place with easy access and within a quick time frame. This helps companies connect and generate ideas throughout diverse environments, which gives them competitive advantages in the workplace. Another advantage that networks have is with electronic commerce. This allows companies to conduct business activities electronically over computer networks. There are many different types of e-commerce, but they all play major roles in the positive communication of networks. E-commerce helps to fix the strain of hard business activities that are time-consuming, paper-based, or even just inconvenient. It allows easy and open communication that could not have happened previously to take place, which can be very beneficial for organizations to make use of. Business analytics is the extensive use of data and quantitative analysis to support fact-based decision-making within organizations. Analytics and BI gather data from a variety of sources, which gives them a reliable background. Some of these benefits include the ability to detect fraud, improve forecasting, increase sales, optimize operations, and reduce costs. Although there are many necessary and expensive components in successful BI and analytics, it's very sensible for an organization to make use of them. With the use of business analytics and business intelligence, organizations can truly benefit from the understanding of data that they provide. Knowledge management is another key element regarding information systems. Knowledge management is concerned with increasing awareness, fostering learning, speeding collaboration and innovation, and exchanging insights, according to Reynolds and Stair. Along with this awareness comes artificial intelligence, or the ability of computers to mimic functions of a human. Both of these practices are helpful in figuring out certain problems that computers still have, such as recognizing patterns, adapting to new situations, and drawing conclusions. Information systems are rapidly growing, therefore new systems are constantly being acquired and developed. This creates many questions for organizations, such as should they buy or should they build a new system that fits their specific needs. Availability, pressure, and constant changes are just a few examples of why this question is so difficult. Time and money constraints would suggest that acquiring is easier than developing, but on the other hand, personal and specific company needs would suggest otherwise. A process known as the waterfall system development helps create a flow of the development process because it generates a slow and steady downward phase of development. This can be helpful when time is not a major factor and a company can really put in the effort to create or acquire the best and most efficient system. Even though there are many benefits to the rapid production of technology, it still comes with its downfalls. Some of these include computer waste, computer-related mistakes, privacy issues, social issues, and cybercrime. One of the biggest downfalls to information systems is this cybercrime. There is a constantly increasing threat of cybercrime among individuals, organizations, and governments. A huge risk to this is the increasing of complexity of computers. This is a strange concept, but it makes sense because as technology becomes more complex, it generates more entries to networks. This allows people who commit cybercrime more accessible ways to hack into the entry points of a network. There are also different types of exploit threats, such as viruses and ransomware, that are becoming easier for individuals to accidentally access. And because of these many threats, it is highly important to take caution when going to unknown websites and take prevention measures such as installing a firewall to keep threat levels low. In conclusion, information systems are highly important and very useful in today's world. They offer many benefits for both individuals and organizations. The systems that have been created have helped bridge global communication gaps, allowed businesses to rapidly grow and succeed, and optimized everyday functions. Without the knowledge of information systems, we would not be as creative and innovative as we are today. Thank you.